Happy new month, my love. Today is the 1st December. I'm super excited for this new month. May this month bring you joy, peace, love, and many more. May you receive gifts and more gifts this Christmas season. Don't forget to share love. Don't forget to share little things that you have. Today the audio is super bad, but I had to do a voiceover. Hope you guys are doing well. Here I'm in my gym outfit. I was figuring out whether to go for a walk or stay at home, but I decided to go because procrastination is an enemy. So let's head out. I'll quickly show you my outfit as we go. Hope you enjoy. See you later.
Save the stories for a song. Wanna guess about you.
We are into the Badlands. It's so green, so peaceful. I'm the only one here. This Hill. My goodness.
Gotta say all these things that just aren't true. Just aren't true. 'Cause when we were good, my heart was on fire. You quenched all my desires. Didn't know that we would expire, but you turned out to be a beautiful lie. A beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie. To be a beautiful lie. Oh no, a beautiful lie.
Hi loves, I'm back home from the walk. It was a good one. It's raining outside. I thank God I came before it started raining. It's raining heavily outside. But anyway, I want to take a shower, make some dinner, and I'll catch you guys maybe later or tomorrow. Bye bye. Ooh, the light is so good. Anyway, today I'm just in a happy spirit. I don't know why. It's by the grace of God. Anyway, how are you guys doing? I'm well. I'm wearing this two beautiful piece. I guess you've seen it somewhere in one of my videos. But anyway, I'm wearing this two piece. I'll show you somewhere in this. Before I leave, I'm wearing this my cute earrings. You know them. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch that video because it's on. Make sure you watch it and get yourself some cute earrings. Yes, with this my watch. So let's head out. I'll be carrying this bag. Yes, I'll be carrying this cute bag that I got a long time ago. I can't remember where, but this is the bag I'm wearing. Yes, and I'll be. Should I show you the shoes? I'll show you the shoes maybe later. Yeah, they're a bit far. But let's head out. Make sure you spread love and kindness. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.
Something could be a day haunted by you, haunted by
Good morning. This is the next day. I want to do a very quick unboxing. The Jumia November sales, I didn't do it. I even forgot about it. So I said I do a quick unboxing. So I've just done my devotion. So I want to do a quick unboxing. Hope you guys are doing great. And let's dive in to the haul. So the first thing I bought was this Nivea. I love this Nivea. It's the one I'm using right now. It's the tint. It's kind of, I don't know, maroon or purplish. I've really used it. This is the first thing I unboxed. I took from the package because I couldn't wait. Yeah, this is the first one I bought. The Nivea Blackberry Shine. Nivea Blackberry Shine. I love it, love it, love it. I love it, love it, love it. The second one I bought it's the haven't unboxed. I only did the one. The other one was I unboxed the other one. One was for my friend, so I had to unbox it first. This one is mine. So this is the package I got from Jumia, the Black Friday sales. I even forgot about to unbox it. I think because I had the other oils that I was using, so I was not in a hurry to unbox it. Anyway, let's crumbling and unbox this cutie. The first thing I got was this sunscreen. I don't know if you can see it. The sunscreen. I put in the screen somewhere. I put a picture in the screen somewhere, but you know the sunscreen. The shine control, instant mattifying effect, normal to combination skin. I wish this, it's a good sunscreen. The one that I was using was, I don't know, where is it? I think it's in one of my bag. It's the spray one. This, but not from Nivea. It's from another Instagram page, La Demanic, something like that. It was a good sunscreen as well. So I went to this because it was on offer. So I said, why not? Let me grab it and use it. Let's open it. This is the sunscreen. It's the new one though. I don't want to use it because the other one is it's still halfway, so I'll use it. It will come in handy, but not now. So first, that's the second product actually that I got, and the next one was this, the Nivea. This too, it was on offer as well, so I took advantage because you know me, I love cocoa butter. Cocoa butter, shea butter are baked. My skin really loves cocoa butter and shea butter. It's a good size. I've never used this one actually. I've never used this Nourishing Cocoa by Nivea. So I will definitely review it and let you guys know. I've never used this specific Nivea Cocoa Nourishing Cocoa body oil. I've never used it. So definitely yeah, it's smells like cocoa butter. It's deep moisture serum cocoa butter with vitamin E for dry skin. Of course, my skin is dry, so definitely this will come in handy. Enriched with deep moisture serum. Okay. 24 hours deep moisture, smooth skin feel, dry out protection, deep nourishment, healthy looking skin. Okay, I can't wait to try this one. But first thing, we have to taste. It smells so nice. Oh wow. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see. And this one is too much. I'm using natural light, so it smells so good. And it has a glow in it. It has a glow in it. If you can see, it has a glow in it. Anyway, I will try to review it for a couple of times and then I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it goes because I'm excited to use this. I can't use that too. I'm stocked up for a couple of months. Nivea, I love Nivea product. I didn't know Nivea is from. Guys, do you know where Nivea is from? Nivea is a product from Germany. Hamburg, Vienna. I didn't know Nivea is a product from Germany. Guys, did you know? Nivea is a product from Germany. Germany, Hamburg, Vienna. Is it Vienna or Vienna? To a German, please help us there. Is it Vienna or Vienna? Is it Vienna or Vienna? I don't know. What I know, it's written here Hamburg, Vienna. Yeah, Vienna. I think it's Vienna. Vienna. German. Anyway, I will try it because I love Nivea product. You see, I love Nivea product. Okay. I love this product. And just a moment, guys. But this product here, I don't know if you can see it nicely. Can you see? Can you see this product? I'll put it on the screen. This Perfect Radiant Event on 3-in-1 cleanser. This product has really helped my skin. Normal to oily skin. I use it sometimes as a wash, and sometimes in the weekends I use it as a mask. It has really improved my skin. This particular product. This one. I haven't tried the dark chocolate one. I would have to try the dark chocolate one. These are really helped me. Like really helped me. If you haven't seen the video, the simple skincare routine that I did, please go and check it because I used it there as a mask. Yes, and it's really nice. It's really nice. I'm not complaining about this. It has helped the skin because I have oily, acne-prone skin. It has really helped. I wish this could focus. It has really helped with my acne control. My babe, the Nivea moisturizer. This is an OG, affordable moisturizer. Some people complain that breaks them out. Me, it didn't. I don't know. This is my fifth bottle, but I've been using it because this 2024. I've been using it, and I love it. It lathers so well. It moisturizes my face. And I love it. It doesn't break my face. I haven't experienced that, but I love this product. It's a good combo. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Spread love and kindness. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.